Good morning, children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths. Previous class you learned for patterns. I hope you everyone understand the concept for patterns. Now once again recall now patterns in number. Patterns in number. This is using for multiplying by the number is 9. So, you take any one number to multiply with 9. So, you get the answer for product of 9. So, this is saying here multiplies of 9. So, in your class, you studied for find out this number is coming for 9 table or divisible for 9, that is saying here casting of pattern 9. This is saying here casting of pattern. In your book exercise is given to you. I show now. Children, you learn the 9 table for before class 3rd standard. So ready to say the 9 table? 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Those who know the table, so this number is divisible for 9 table. Okay, you understand the concept, children? First you listen carefully. Here given for in your textbook, multiply any number by 9. The sum of all the digit of product is 9. Sum of all the digit of the product is 9. Here 84 multiplied by 9, you get it for 756. But you take here this product number, this number only take it out and do for sum all the digits. Sum all the digits. Sum means you do for plus. 7 plus 5, 5 plus 6. So you get it for 7 plus 5 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So 18. Then you added for 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is saying here 9. So this you get the number is 9. So 756 is divisible for 9 table. That is saying here multiplies the product answer divisible for 9 table. That is saying here cast out. The next one number. Second sum 43 multiplied by 9. Any one number you take. 84 multiply 9, 43 multiply 9, 123 multiply 9. But you find out the product. That product is, you find for sum of all the digit. So this 3 number you added, 3 plus 8 plus 7, 18. 18 you added now 1 plus 8, 9. The same method 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 7. So this 4 number you added and get for 9. So all the number you multiply any number with 9 but you get the answer. Do for sum of the digit. Sum of the all the digits. So this is the product. This product only you add do the sum. You get it, the number is 9. So that's why this one is saying for multiplied by 9. This number you do for divisible in the 9 table. Okay, you understand now? This one in your book exercise activity, make pattern based on the multiplies of 9. So here given here multiply table for 9. So 9 nines are you know 81. But you added for this product 8 plus 1, 9. So this is the 9 table divisible for 81. You do for 9 table. How many times you get it this? 9 times. So you do this one multiplies of 9. You have to say this is the multiplies of 9. Okay, you understand the concept, children? I give now small example, cast out. So here take for 2 rupees coin, 2 coins I take it here. This one 2 plus 2 you get it for 4 or 2 2s are 4. Divisible for 2. This one taking for 4. You do the division for 2. Here write for divisible. So divided by 2. Then you get for how many times you get it the 4. This is the product. So this one how many times you get? 2 2s are 4. So this is 2 multiplies. How many times is coming for this 4? 2 times. So this is a multiplies. The next one 5 plus 5. Then you get for 10. 5 plus 5 you get the 10. So 10 you do for division 5 table. How many times you get? 2 times. How many times you get? 2 times. 5 plus 5, 10. Then next one in your book exercise given for number 9. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 you get it for 9 plus 9 equal to 18. So divide by 9 table. So this is coming for 18 how many times? 2 times. So this is saying here multiplies. This one 18 is a product. Okay. So this is saying here cast out. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. This is the sum of digit. Then you added and get for 4. Divided by 2 table. So number is 2. So divided by 2. Here number is 5 divided by 5. Here number is 9. Then 9 number you taken here. Then you do for division also 9. So you get the number for 2 times. Multiplies of 2 times. This one is saying here cast out. Okay. This one using for patterns, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These 4 types of patterns is given in your book exercise. This one listen carefully and you do correctly children. Patterns based on the multiplies of 9. So first here multiply of 9. 9 table is given here. 9 and 9s are 81. This is the product. But you check this one divisible for 9 table. That method here sum of all the digit. You added 81. 8 plus 1. So this is saying 8 plus 1 equal to the sum of number you get it for 9. 8 plus 1 9. So this number is used for 9 table. So 81 is coming for the 9 table. That one option you check whether each number this is saying for multiplies of 9 table. This is for the pattern you used to apply here. The next one 81 number is taken here. Multiply for 9 table. So get it the product for 729. So you check here 7 plus 2 plus 9. So 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 9. So 18. So 18 is coming for 9 table. Yes. So this is coming for this the 9 table of multiply product. Okay. The next one 729 you apply here. Then you multiply for 9 table. So 6561. So you added now check. This one multiply for 9 table. 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1. So you added now 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 6 17. 17 plus 1 18. So 18 is coming already you check here. 9 table is coming for 18. So this is the multiplies of 9. Okay. Then next one this number you take it here. 6561 then multiply for 9. So 59,049. So you do now sum of 5 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4 plus 9. So you check here 9 or you added for this 9. 3 9s are 27. Sum of all the numbers. 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 9, 27. So 27 is coming for 9 table. So this number is the multiply of 9. The next one, 59,049 multiplied by 9 table. So you get it for 5,31,441. So you added now 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1. You check now. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 1 18. So 18 is coming for 9 table. So this product is also multiplies of 9. So here, if the sum of all the digit of a number is 9 or divisible by the last one 18. So this all the numbers is coming for the 9 table. So this is for the patterns based on the multiplies of 9. So this one is here given to in your textbook exercise. Only you find out for casting. Cast out of multiply 9. So this one book exercise 3.2. So first you check 9,443 multiply of 9 table. Okay, what do you do? Sum of all the number. 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. So any one number is 9 is coming here. So that one you leave it here. Then remaining one you add and get the number is 9 or 0. That one only multiply by 9 table. So you do here 9 is leave it here. Then 4 plus 4 plus 3. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 3 11. So 11 you added for 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So it is not a multiply of 9 table. So 2 is coming for 9 table? No. So this is not a multiply of 9. So this number not coming for the 9 table. Okay. The next one sum. B sum 1008. Multiply of 9. You check here now. Yes, what you do? Sum of all the digit. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. So 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 8 9. So you get it the 9. So it is a multiply of 9 table. So you do the table or multiply numbers 9 ones or 9 twos or up to this number is coming for 1008. So easy to find out the patterns. You added the product, multiply and get it the answer. But you check sum of all the numbers, all the digit. Sum of all the digit only added. You get 0 or 9. 0 or 9 you get it that answer. So that is the multiplies of 9. But other number is coming here. This one sum 2. But this is not a multiply of 9. Okay, you understand now? Shall I move now next to sum, children? This one C sum 24,689. So you added now 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9. So you add and get for 29. 29 is coming for the 9 table? No. So it is not a multiplies of 9. Okay. The next one number D sum 23,769. So you added now 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 6 18. 18 plus 9 27. So 27 is coming for 9 table. So this is for a multiplies of 9. 29 is not coming for 9 table. So this is not a multiply of 9. But 27 is coming for the 9 table 3 times. So this is for multiply of 9. X 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6. Do to add now. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. This 21 is coming for 9 table? No. This is not a multiplies of 9. Then next one, second Roman letter. Circle the correct addition fact by using casting out 9. So same order, but before the sum is given for single number only, but here given for addition symbol fact. Addition fact is given to you. Same method to follow here. Then whether this one number is coming for 9 table or not, you check first. Any number to add, first number to last number, 4 plus 5, 9. So leave it that. Then 3 plus 5, 8. Then next one, 9 is coming, leave it. Then 5. 6 plus 3 is also 9. So you write for 5 only. Then here 9, leave it. 7 plus 2, 9, leave it. Then remaining for 4 only. Then 8 plus 5, 13. This one is 4. So this one, you get it for year 13. Then opposite side for 4. This 2 number is same? No. This number is not equal. Check here, this one equal or not equal? Not equal. So you do this. This one for left hand side, this one for right hand side. So you should write left hand side, left L and side LHS. Left and side LHS not equal for right hand side. Right or and H, yes. LHS and RHS, this is not equal. Okay, you understand now? So what do you write the answer? Hence, it is not a correct addition fact. What do you write? Hence, it is not correct addition fact. So, next one sum you do now. Ready? 7 plus 2. Here, you divided for 9 tables. Single number is given for before the exercise. Only single number is given to you. Then you added and get it for all the digit. You get for 0 or 9 or 9 table 9 multiplies number. You get it and write the answer is multiplies of 9. Same method here to apply. This one for here given for addition fact. So you check whether here 3 numbers. So first number is 7 plus 2, 9, leave it here. 6 plus 3, 9, so leave it here, 0. Then 2 plus 1 plus 3. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Here, this one is 9, leave it here. Then next one number 8. Then next one 4 plus 5, you get it for 9. So leave it this number. So remaining number only 8. So here 8. Then opposite side also 8. So what do you write? Check here 8 or 8. This is equal or not equal? Yes, this is the equal. So you should write LHS equal to RHS. Okay. So what write this answer? Answer for hence it is a correct addition fact. Hence it is a correct addition fact. You understand, children? Then next one sum. Same method. 6023, 3203, 9220. So you first take one number. That number, any one number is 9, or any two number added and get for 9, that number you leave it. 6 plus 3 is 9, so you cut the number. 0 leave it here. Remaining number 2 only. 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8. Then next one, here 9 is coming here. So leave the number. So cut it this. Then remaining number 2 plus 2 plus 0. So 2 plus 2 4. So here first one 2 plus 8 is 10. Here 4. So 10 compared to 4. So which one is equal? This number is equal or not equal? This one is a not equal. So LHS equal to RHS is not equal. So 9920 is not a multiplier of 9. Okay. Then next one. Last sum, this one. 2436 plus 5315 equal to 7701. So take it here. 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6. Then you added and get 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Then 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 14. Then next one, 7 plus 7 plus 0 plus 1. So 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 0, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So this two number you added now. Do here. This 9 coming to strike out and write for 6 also correct, or otherwise you do all the number add and get it here. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. Or you leave for this 3 numbers up to 9. Then remaining 5. Only you take it and write for 5. Then next one, 5 plus 1, 6. So first step you do for all the digit add. Then next step also you do to add. Then 2 digit is coming here. You change up to 1 digit, single digit. Then you check here left hand side and right hand side. Here also 14. This one 15. So next you added now 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. Then 6 plus 5, 11. Here 6. So this one is opposite side. Left hand side and right hand side you check here. 11 and 6. So this is not equal. Left hand side equal to, left hand side LHS not equal for RHS. So this number for two way to write the number 7701 is not a multiply of 9. Thank you, children. You understand the concept. Next class you start for subtraction. Thank you, children.